Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a paid sick, personal, or carrier's leave pay item on Xero. So, first, you may want to head over to Xero.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on payroll, then click on payroll settings. So, from the payroll settings page, we're just going to switch to pay items. Then next is click on leave and click on the add drop down button, then choose paid leave. A new window will then pop up, and all you have to do is fill in the details about the paid leave you're about to create, starting with leave category. Now, from here, pick what kind of leave you're trying to create. If it's for personal, sick or carer's leave, or family and domestic violence leave, annual leave, or whatever is applicable. Of course, give this a leave name. So, say for example, we're just going to name this sick leave and type of units by which leave entitlements are normally tracked and normal entitlement if applicable. And if you want to show balance on payslip, just check this box. And once everything is done, just click on the add button. So as you can see, the leave type is now added. And next, we're going to head over to our employee page. Click on payroll once again, then click on employees. So select the specific employee that you would like to assign to that leave. So say for example, this employee. Next is click on leave. Then next is click on assign leave type. And from here, we're just going to pick the leave that we created earlier. So we're just going to select personal, sick or carrier's leave and calculation method. So that will depend on you. Hours accrued annually, opening balance, on termination, unused balance is. And once everything is good, proceed by clicking on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!